Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. This is going to be a big haul. It's mainly from Craft Stash, and I don't quite know where these are from, but I think they're from Create and Craft. I'll open these two parcels first, but this big one I'm going to have to take it out the box off camera because the box is just too big and it doesn't open at the top. If it had opened at the top here it wouldn't have been a problem, but it actually opens at the side, so I'm just not going to be able to get that in, so I do apologise for that. So the first one I'm going to open is this envelope here. I'll just get my trusty knife. So this was actually a eBay purchase. I totally forgot about it, to be honest, even though it was only a few days ago I bought it. And it's second hand, so I don't think every page is in here, but it's the Graphics 45, the 12 Days of Christmas. And although I said I wasn't going to buy any more Christmas papers because I really didn't need any more, I just loved these ones when they was on the pictures. So there's lots going on. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I do know there is probably plenty of videos out there sharing this, and two, it's going to be a long video anyway, so but that's just a quick peek. If anyone would like a closer look at this, just let me know and I'm more than happy to do another video of that. And then we've got this one here. Again, I'm going to take my scissors off. This is from Create and Craft. I did order this quite a while ago, but it was on a back order or however, like I had to wait because it had sold out before I'd got to it. And it's the new, well, to me I think it's new, I don't know if it's new, but it's a Flight of Fancy kit. And in here we've got, and also it's from Graphic 45, we've got some ephemera, and I've just spotted, and hopefully you can see these stamps here. How nice are those? And they're like proper perforated. They'd be really cool, some butterflies and stuff. So I'm excited to do that, and there's like a whole host of them in there. I do apologise for the glare. The glare is just a thing I have to live with my videos because it's just too dark without my ring light, unfortunately. And then also in this kit you've got the 8x8 papers, and there's the pictures again. I'm not going to go into detail with them all because I just know this is going to be super long. So, and then we've got the chipboard tag and frames, so they've got plenty in here, and there's a picture of them all there. Then we've got the rub-ons here, which I don't normally use rub-ons, but I think I might have to start having a bash at doing them. And there's the two sheets because they seem to be coming back. I mean, years ago when I crafted years ago there was a big thing, and then they just kind of died off, but now they just seem to be everywhere. And then this is the sticker sheet, so you've got borders and frames and all different kinds of stuff there. And there's another side to it there, so there's lots of them. And then you've got the 12x12 patterned papers in solids. And then you've also got the collection pack there. So it doesn't really show you the solids, but it'll give you a quick overview there of all of what's in the patterned ones. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to empty this out and we'll go through it together, what I've got. Do apologise again that it can't be an unboxing, because you know I do like to have an unboxing, but it's just not physically possible. So bear with me and I'll be with you soon. Right, it is going to be kind of an unboxing actually. I've got the box here at the side of it and I'm going to just take the things out of the box. But before I start, I just don't want to keep repeating myself, but this is a large order. But the reason it's a large order is because they actually sent me a 30% off site-wide, completely off anything I wanted in there, because I presume because I've not purchased anything for a long time from there. In fact, I think it's been about a year. But with that 30%, I still also got my 10%, so everything in here was 40% or less, and there was also deals on them. So a lot of this stuff was like a fraction of the price, and that's why obviously I did like really take advantage of that code, because they don't come around very often. So that being said, hopefully I don't keep repeating that. So the first thing I've got is this Crafter's Companion 12 by 12 Arabian Nights papers, and I'm just gonna give a quick flick through. Now I've not actually seen these because I've not watched Crafter's Companion in a while on YouTube. It got ridiculous, all the stuff I'd purchased from them and not used, so I stopped watching, because even if I was an Eskimo, they could sell me snow, so there you go. And then I know there's quite a lot of graphic 45 in here, and this is the Flower Market set, so we've got lots going on there. Again, a fraction of the price compared to what graphic 45 would be. Just that's why I really took advantage. And then we've got the Life's a Bowl of Cherries, and these are the solids and the patterns. So we've got that, and then we've got the Flower Market, so that will go, they're the solids and the patterns, so that will go with the other one. And then we've got Make a Splash, which is absolutely beautiful, and they're the solid and patterns again. I did buy several of these die folders from Tonic because one, it was already on offer at £15, and then I also got my 40% off, so I'd have been crazy not to. I've literally purchased quite a lot of these of late, and I got as many as I could. They would only let me order 5, so I ordered the 5. I would have got more because this is what I'm going to transfer all mine over to, I think, because they have worked out much better than any of the others, just so how I store my dies. So that is my plan. So I would have been stupid really not to have got, like, I don't know what 15 minus 40% is. Well, at 50% it's £7.50, so it'd probably be about £9. So it was definitely worth getting them. So just take all those out. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I've got those out, and I'm just going to move them just so they're not in the way. The next thing I've got is the Graphics 45 in the 8x8 little one. I really wanted the 12 by 12, but unfortunately they'd sold out, and that had actually been in my basket for quite a while, but I've missed out on that one. And then we have this Tonic Studios luggage tag and box die set. Again, this has been in my basket for a while, and this was on special offer. I think it was something like £12, and then minus my 40%. So that was that. Then we've got these die cut release sheets. That was about £1, so it'd have been what, 60p. I got quite a few of these Creative Craft magnet shims, and they're sticky backed as well. I've used these quite a lot, but I normally go for the A5, but because I'm changing over to Tonic, I'm going to buy them, and then I'm going to get the pouches from Amazon because it works out cheaper. And these was, I think, £1.50 minus the 40%, and you get 2 in each, and I don't know how many I got, but there is quite a few here. And they are really good magnets. And then we've got this die cutting, which is from Creative Crafts, and this is just like nested dies with the stitch effect. I also got another glue adhesive eraser because I've misplaced mine and it's drove me potty not being able to find it. And then we also got the 8x8 in the Life's a Bowl of Cherries. And then we got PS I Love You in an 8x8. And we got Make a Splash in 8x8. And I also got the Life's a Bowl of Cherries stamps. These again was on offer. I think I paid £2, which is crazy for a set of stamps from Graphic 45. I also bought some more blades for my paper trimmer because these was on offer, and also the discount. It here I am saying at the beginning I wouldn't repeat, but I am. I do apologise. And then I got another We Are Memory Keepers corner punch, because I just love corner punch. I love having that decorative edge, and it's something that's quick and simple to do. It was a bit of an odd purchase, but I've got this wax paper to use for I'm hoping it will use for my sublimation. That's what I've got it for. If not, I'll just pop it into the kitchen really. We got another set of blades, and I did get this is it Made to Surprise wax melt kit for the wax seals. So it's all come loose. So we've got 3 tubs there of the wax pellets, and there's another tub here. So we've got like golds and silvers in there, and there's greens and blues, yellows in there. In that kit you also got a cooling plate, and this again was on a special offer for the VIP members, so you was already saving a lot anyway without the added discount. We've got another pot here. Right, I'm just going to take these last few bits out of the box. Right, so this is the rest of that wax seal kit, and this is come in a box. So as you can see here, you get a tea light, you get the rest for your little bowly thing, a load more wax melts, and a stamp. And I'm not going to try and get that out with my nails, I don't want to snap my nail. But yeah, it's a beautiful little kit, so I'm really pleased with that actually. Move those out of the way. And then this, I think this has got to be one of the most like amazing price deals out of this whole thing. There's 2 amazing price deals, to be fair, this being one of them. And this is the die cutting machine by Made to Surprise. I was after a small die cutting machine to help me use with my Cool Cats dies, because I just don't want to be using a big die cutting machine. I went to go and get the Sizzix side kit, but that was like £50. I know I still got a good price with the deal of that I had, but this for a VIP member it should be £29, but they actually had £10 off that, and then I got the 40% discount. So it's just a nice little machine, and then you've got your cutting plates. The only thing I am concerned about is when I did look online, I couldn't actually find any other cutting plates for it, so I do hope that I'm still able to purchase those if need be. And then the last thing in the box is the Paper Craft Society box. I do love these boxes, and this one has been in my basket for a while, and they normally like £29 I think they are, but they said the past boxes was being reduced to £15. I don't know if it was a VIP member thing or not. So I definitely had to get it then. I would have got it anyway at some point, because I just absolutely love this lady who does these, and I've had every one of hers, and I was just trying to be good by not buying it, to be honest. And if you've not guessed already, this is the Pretty Gets Gritty box, and it says, in crafting there are no mistakes, it's your own perfectly imperfect creation, Lynette. So in here you get lots of goodies, so I'll open it up and show you this because I've not even seen it, so I didn't even look online to see what you got, because I was just like, no, just have a nosy. So we've got some dies here which looks like a door, and some flowers, although you could use these rectangles for like putting sentiments and stuff in. And then we've got a stencil with some brick and some lattice work, and then we've got some flower die cuts. Can't seem to get that in. And then we've got some more die cuts. I am surprised, I think that this is the first one I've seen with no stamps in, so I am surprised, unless they're in the bottom here. But I can't see because they're normally in that pouch. So we've got some white gesso, We've got a spray bottle. We've got some stamens. And I'm presuming that's some ink. And then we've got the booklet to tell you what you can do. So yeah, I am really surprised there's no stamps in there. Let's check the what we should get, the inventory. Nope, definitely no stamps there. Just really surprised at that. There's usually some form of stamps. But that was this haul, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I'm really sorry it's so long and a bit iddledy-piddledy at times. And if you like anything that you've seen, just go and get onto Craft Stash and have a nosy and see what deals you can find and sign up to the emails, and hopefully you'll get a 30% voucher code as well. So thanks for watching. I'd love it if you would please comment and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and I shall hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.